Hello to my future employer. First of all, I want to greet you a pleasant have a good day. Thank you for this chance to introduce myself. My name is Michelle Tamundong Nicolas from the Philippines. I was born in December 21, 1988. I am 36 years old. I graduated in senior high school. My religion is born again Christian. My status is married. I have 3 kids, 2 boys and 1 girl. Their ages is 16 years old, 12 years old, and becoming 1 years old. I have an experience to the other country in 3 kinds of countries. My first work is in Abu Dhabi as a nanny with housekeeping since 2010 until 2012. My main duties there is to take good care of the kids of my employer and cleaning the house. And my second work is in Hong Kong as a nanny with housekeeping since 2013 until 2015. My main duties there is to take good care of the son of my employer and cleaning the house. And my third work is in Romania. I have 2 different work there in Romania. My first work there in Romania is a nanny with housekeeping since 2016 until 2018. My main duties there is to take good care of the kids of my employer and cleaning the house. And my second work there in Romania is a servant. I serve the ambassador with their family and cleaning the residence of Brazilian embassy since 2018 until 2022. The reason that's why I want to find a job to the other country is to give my family needs and especially my kids' education and to give them a good future. That's all. I hope you can choose me, Madam, Sir, with my skills, experience, and knowledge. Thanks a lot and God bless. Thank you.